This video is how to ruin your brand new car. So above me is a 2025 Nissan Murano. The coolant bottle is way below minimum already at 8,500 miles. And it's here for its second oil change. So the first engine oil from the manufacturer was in there up to 8,500 miles. And now the customer's here for an oil change. Driving your brand new vehicle or any vehicle past the oil's limits is not a good thing. 8,500 miles on a 4-cylinder or any vehicle is a recipe for disaster. You're basically ruining your brand new vehicle in its early parts of its life. Could you imagine not giving your children the nutrients that they need in the first parts of their life? Your vehicle is basically the same thing. And your oil is decaying the entire time that you're driving it. Now, we don't know if this person is an aggressive driver, if this is an idle time vehicle, or do they use the cheapest gasoline? The car seems like they wash it more than it's had oil changes. That's probably a fact. It came in here clean today, so. And I would say that's probably par for the course for today's world is they wash the car more than they maintenance the vehicle for repairs. 8,500 is a recipe for disaster. And yeah, so this is 2025. Look how clean it is. This is the same car that I just showed you, the coolant bottle. Coolant bottle is near empty. There's no visible leaks. So what does that tell me? That the vehicle is consuming antifreeze. And I've documented this on some newer Kias. And these manufacturers don't care. All they're waiting for you is to pass the warranty period so they can say, yep, you need an engine or you need a cylinder head or you need something. And you'll be like, oh, really? Man, my last Nissan made it 300,000 miles. And this one can't even make 100,000 miles and I need a new car already. Yep, sorry, that's the way it goes. How's your credit? How's your credit? Yeah, how's your credit? Oh, you got bad credit? You know, the only one that's gonna buy you for interest is 20 to 30%. And your Nissan Murano costs you $1,500 a month. Crazy. Take care of your car.